Hi guys, going out tonight with my pals. Gonna go see Rob and Matt Beck. I think Tom Hopkins is coming as well. We're gonna go get Chinese food. A friend recommended this place called Peach Garden, so we're gonna go check it out. Apparently it's really good. Probably end up going for some drinks afterwards as well. But let's see what happens. This is Tom Hopkins and his beard.
Hi guys.
You done that? Right.
Hi guys.
I am so full of Chinese food. I ate all kinds of meat, roast duck, rice, spare ribs, all wicked, all really good. Now we are going to the Anchor to drink loads of beer. See you later. Had a good night last night. We ended up at the Anchor in Digbeth and had a few good beers. And now I'm gonna head down to Snubs. I'm doing a project taking photos in Snubs because it's moving and I want to capture kind of Snubs as it was. It's been there for so long that everybody in Birmingham has been. It's kind of like a Birmingham institution. So yeah, I want to go get some pictures before it moves house. Later, I'm going down to Paisley Studios. I'm working at Glug, which is like a networking event, like creative networking event. And there's going to be some speakers and I'm taking photos of that. I'm really looking forward to it. Should be good. So done Snubs, and it was pretty good. It was dark and kind of sad, but I think I got some nice photos. It's all empty and deserted. I'm on my way down to Paisley Studios now for the Glug event. Going to be taking photos there tonight. I'm looking forward to this. It's going to be good. So let's do this. So we're going out tonight. Me and Sophie are hitting the town. It's Ben's birthday, or it was Ben's birthday, and this is his drinks tonight. I think we're going to eat somewhere as well. He hasn't decided, so we better decide pretty soon. We're about to go meet him. And then I think Raya and Steve are in town as well, so hopefully we get to see them later. Good, everyone's out tonight. Right, we're on our way to meet Ben. Laura's there as well, I think. They're in Cherry Reds, so we're heading down there. Hopefully we're going to go out for dinner, because I am hungry. Hi guys. So we've come to Topokki to get some Korean food. I've had a bit too much to drink already, so we need to eat some wicked food and then I won't feel as drunk. We're going to get some dumplings and some rice, and let's see how this goes. Had a good night last night with Ben and Laura. We went to Topokki and had some wicked Korean food. Had a bibimbap and we had some good chicken and some dumplings as well. It's all real tasty. Now we're gonna head out for brunch again. It's becoming a regular thing now. we're gonna go meet Jess and Sam. It's like all I ever do now is eat out, but I am really enjoying myself eating loads of wicked good food. Let's go see what they got this morning. Carl's here.
Hi guys. Hi.
You sound like horse, Carl.
Hi guys. So I'm here again. Jack, just cooking some brunch and stuff. We're having a great time. Sam likes the sausages and buns. Okay, see you later.
Thanks for that. I've got a biscuit that's as big as my face. So we had our brunch, it was really good, and Tom Peel's here.
Yeah, I'm going to head to the ball.
Hi Tom Peel.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How are you doing?
I'm doing very well. I enjoyed my sausages.
Good.
Exceptional.
And what are you up to now?
I'm going to go up to the Icon Gallery and look around there. Apparently you told me about this Southside stuff, so I'm going to go check that out as well.
Yeah, it was good last week. Do it. What are you doing the rest of the week?
Well, we've got the radio now on Tuesday, and we've got a special guest, Carl Finn. He's going to be joining us.
That guy?
About 2 hours of non-stop tunes and chatter for you to enjoy. It's great fun. It's very informal and laid back, but you can listen live.
How would I find out about radio now?
You type in the radio now to Facebook, and we've got a page. We've got a group and a page. We use both simultaneously, so you can be updated in multiple ways on Facebook. And you can either listen live or listen again.
That's not
Wicked. There we go. Thanks, Tom Peel.
Nice one.
Also, listen to his music. It's really good.
It is. It's really good.
Jess just gave me my birthday present 3 months late, and it's like a balloon, but there's a present in there. It's wrapped up in air. Amazing. I don't even know what it is. I'm going to open it at home. Home now after brunch. I'm feeling really full and I'm kind of off my face on coffee. I had like 3 cups of coffee there and now I'm feeling pretty weird. But I opened my 3 months late birthday present and I got this book of useless Japanese inventions. Like this guy with his noodle mask so he doesn't get his noodles on his chin. Thanks, Jess. So me and Sophie are going to a barbecue tonight and we've got to take something along. So I've got a rucksack full of corn on the cob and I'm going to make some barbecue butter to go with it, which will take a wicket. I have got 16 corn on the cobs and a log in my bag. What have you got?
A lot of butter.
How much butter have you got?
I think 2. I've got 2 tubs and a can of coconut milk.
Cool. Let's party. So I'm at a party with a robot hoover. This is Kate and her robot hoover.
Hello, this is Hal. Here's my robot hoover.